Hi everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I am here setting up for the week of September 10th. It is currently Friday, so I have not started all out of my day, but I have kind of prepped for this week. I got my meetings off of my computer already. I set up some lines here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I really liked how this horizontal was working out this week, so I'm going to go ahead and do that again for this week. So that is it for my weekly setup. So basically I have kind of this forest jungle situation vibe going on here. I use these two washi tapes. This one is from Simply Gilded. This one is from Amazon. It came in like a 24 pack of these skinny washi rolls. So I like using those for these because it doesn't take up too much space. And then I wanted to, I don't know, kind of make this like X look. I don't know. It looked good in my head. I'm happy with how it turned out. I added some of the highlight accent color in there as well. So I used 177 and 192. I got all my meetings in, and then I have some YouTube. I put my YouTube videos, my posting days on there, and I actually have another video that is not this week but next week. I will be doing 3 videos that week and trying to test some stuff out to see if you like it. So, and then I migrated all of my work tasks for Monday that I had left over from last week or that I know is coming up. So, not all these things I'll get done on Monday. I actually want to go ahead and put like little stars next to the most important things, so that I know to put those ahead of the other items. So that's putting the stars in is, I kind of already know what needs to happen, but when I see other things that get migrated afterwards, then that makes me feel a little bit better that like at least I got the things that I needed to focus on that week. So that's just like a little helpful thing for me. Are there things that you guys use to denote something important, maybe like an exclamation point, or do you list them out by way of importance? I'd really like to know, because I'm trying to think of like different options for myself. So if you can let me know in the comments below what types of tools that you use to denote like your priorities that week or something like that, please let me know. So I'm really happy with this. So I will see you on Friday for another video. Bye everyone.